Good afternoon everyone. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Today I'll be demonstrating my UI UX case study for one of my application, GreenTern. So guys, let's imagine it's a beautiful morning and you're having your cup of coffee or tea and scrolling through your phone or reading newspaper, and suddenly you remember my competitive analysis came up with some of the applications like Recycle Coach, Yo Waste, Recycle Pay, Olio. These are my direct competitors. So I have considered them as direct competitors, keeping certain parameters in mind and some indirect and potential customers as well. To dig more deeper, I took reviews from Google and also from applications like Trustpilot. And to make it more authentic and to drag it in a more accurate way, I conducted user interview with 2 users asking open-ended questions. Few are documented over here and you can go through that. Once it was done, now I was having a clear problem statement and I exactly knew who are my target users, what is their problem, how my application is going to solve this particular problem, where exactly is this problem taking place. For example, basically in urban household areas, this is a major problem of waste pickup and missed pickup schedules. So I came up with user persona. So she's actually a 24-year-old female working as a graphic designer in Bangalore, and she was having the same complaints. Some of the goals were she wanted weekly cleaning schedule, the waste should be picked up on time were some of her goals. She was frustrated with missed garbage pickup because she was a working professional and sometimes she will miss disposing the garbage to the garbage van. So noting all these things, I started with the empathy mapping, where I mapped out things based on this says, thinks, does and feel. And once it was done, we started with the solution part, that is basically the ideation workshop. So for that, I worked with couple of peers and came up with possible solutions. So some of the solutions are listed over here, and once I was having proper solutions, it was time to draft the scope document. Once the scope document was done, I moved ahead and finally I was ready to launch my first information architecture of the application, which slightly I have already shown you before in my prototype. Like I have first of all the welcome screen, followed by onboarding, 3-step onboarding screen. Then comes up with the authentication part, that is the login and sign up page. Then the setup location part. Once the user lands, will be directed to the home page of the application, where he can schedule pickup, and for scheduling pickup he can even set his own date and time. And once the pickup is successfully picked up by our pickup executives, we will get points, and we can use that points in our eco store for buying eco-friendly products, or we can even donate those. So here comes my user flow. These are the low and mid fidelity wireframes, and the UI part, this is the branding part. So my logo basically contains 3 elements. First is the donate part, that represents donation. The arrow represents recycling, and the leaf part represents sustainability, that is nature. So for the typography part, I have used a font Open Sans, and as it is a waste management application that is related to eco-friendly sustainability, so my primary color is something in the shade of a green. And for neutrals, I have used the basic neutrals in grays and white. So that's all from my end. Thank you.